tomato, this great ally of the microbiota. We have yet to discover the multiple benefits, specific to each nutrient and fresh food, or to their combination within the framework of the diet. Here, it is the tomato that presents hitherto unknown benefits, with this study by biologists from Ohio State University, which reveals in the journal Microbiology Spectrum, favorable effects on the intestinal microbiota. Tomatoes make up about 22% of vegetable intake in Western diets, and previous research has linked tomato consumption with a reduced risk of developing a variety of conditions, including cardiovascular disease and certain cancers. However, the impact of tomatoes on the gut microbiome remains poorly understood.
Nutrients in tomatoes promote good bacteria. Tomatoes help modulate the composition of the gut microbiota in the right way, comments lead author Jessica Cooper-Stone, professor of food science and technology at Ohio State University. Overall dietary patterns have been associated with differences in the composition of the microbiome, but food-specific effects remain understudied. It remains to identify the role of these microorganisms in humans and how they could contribute to better health. The study is carried out on 10 pigs having received a standard diet and 10 pigs a standard diet including 10% freeze-dried tomato-based powder, the fibers, sugar, proteins, fats and calories being identical for the two diets. The metagenomic analysis of their microbiota, before the start of the study, then 7 and 14 days after the start of the diet, reveals
two main changes in the microbiomes of pigs fed a tomato-rich diet. The diversity of species of microbes in their intestines increased and the concentrations of two types of common bacteria in the mammalian microbiome shifted to a more favorable profile. The higher ratio of Bacteroidota versus Bacillidophylla present in the microbiome is linked to positive health outcomes, whilst converse, higher Bacillida versus Bacteroidota, is linked to obesity. This was our first investigation of how tomato consumption can affect the microbiome, and we were able to characterize which microbes are more present and how their relative abundance changes with tomato consumption. These results have been observed in pigs and justify studies in humans, write the scientists, which thus demonstrate that just 2 weeks of a diet rich in tomatoes can increase the diversity of intestinal microbes and modify the microbiota towards a profile more favorable. Deeper knowledge of nutritional benefits can lead to evidence-based recommendations for long-term health.